Okay, this is a 12 volt DC power supply. It takes in about 12 volts AC here, and then that's rectified by this uh, rectifying diode here, and then peak held and smoothed by this capacitor, and then that actually gets output unregulated at 17 volts DC down here, but then it also goes out another way and is regulated by the zener diode here. It's a 12 volt zener diode to come out at 12 volts regulated down here. It also outputs a regulated negative 12 volts, so it'll output both positive 12 volts and negative 12 volts, and then an unregulated negative 17 volts also. So you can get 12 volts regulated out of it, negative 12 volts regulated out of it, and then some unregulated voltages there based on that peak 17 volts from the AC. So I'll connect it up and show some voltages here. You can see it's got some indicator lights there. The power for it's coming from a 120 volt to 12 volt AC transformer, a little wall wart that's plugged into the wall where you can't see it. So then my multimeter here is in AC mode. Get into the picture a little bit better. So you can see the input here. It's about 14.4 volts. And then I'll switch to DC. You can see the regulated 12 volt output's about 12.79, and then there's the unregulated output about 18 volts. That's what the AC input is peaking at, and then we can get a about negative 12 volts, which is actually negative 13 volts here, and then negative 18 volts or so. And then I've got over here, this is the oscillator I've used in previous videos, the 555 timer based, and it can be powered by this. So there you go. There it is, powering something, and then you can see the voltage on the output. Oh, that's kind of weird. There's about 11.8 there. And that's that.